Okay. So we are starting the new class of Neet. Okay, we are doing Neet now. Electrostatics. How many problems have you done now?
Like 70 or something, I don't know.
Oh, very good. So let us come
Sir,
back to
can you
your
explain the 10th question again, please? I didn't get the 10th question.
10th question of electrostatics. Hmm?
Yes,
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 electrostatics. I'm opening that. 10th question. Question number 10 is it? If Q1
yes, sir.
plus Q2 is equal to Q, that one, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I am writing the question first of all. They are given in the question if Q1 plus Q2 is equal to Q. They are given some Q. They have given that in the data. Then the value of Q1 by Q they want. They want the value of Q1 by Q. This is what is the questioning part. And for which the force between Q1 and Q2 is maximum. Force between Q1 and Q2 should be maximum. What have they asked? Force F Q1 comma Q2. This is the notation for force between two charges, which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by, we don't know the arbitrary distance, let us take it as r square, which is anyway going to remain a constant. Yes or no? Now, we don't know Q1, we don't know Q2, we don't know even Q. But what is asked in this question is this force must be maximum. Maximum. When will this force be maximum? If the distance between the charges yet remains constant. When we can do this by two methods. Remember the method 1 and method 2. Method 2 actually I told you by using differentiation. There is a smaller and shortcut method which we use in MSET and all these smaller exams. Method 1, which is shortcut method, you can remember. Whenever, remember this, without mathematics, this is using no maths, this is no maths method. For NEET, maths is not required actually. Not using maths, okay, no?
Yes, sir.
Not
Yes, sir.
using maths. This is very good for you. Not using maths. Remember, if there is some equation like x plus y is equal to any equation, x plus y is equal to some constant like 100. Okay. Any x plus
Okay.
any y is equal to 100.
X is
When,
equal to 100 minus y and y is equal to 100 minus x. That
yeah,
much is
that is
clear.
anyway understood. If
Yeah.
you have to use this x and y as a product, remember this, then x into y is equal to the maximum value. When? This is the question which is asked. There can be several values for x and y. Let us take x is 20 and y is 80. That is also one value. Then let us substitute this and check. 20 into 80. Will this give maximum or not? Let us check. 2 8s are,
It gives 1600.
yes. Let us take some other value for x and y. 40 and any other value 60. Let us take this product and check. 6 4 is
2400.
24. 2 4
2400.
now see what I'm going to do. I'm taking x as 50% of it and y as 50% of it, which is 50-50. Now let us check the product and see. That will be the,
2500.
yes, and this is the highest value that you can get. That is the highest. You cannot get higher than this. Check any other value. If you want, you can put x is equal to any other value, 50. You can put x is equal to 60, and then again y will become 40. You will get the same value. Is it or not?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, I
So
got
to
it. 50.
maximize a product, when
To
the two,
maximize it, yeah, like both the products have to be equal to each other, which is x is equal to y.
exactly, not products, you should say both the variables should be equal.
Yeah, variables.
The
Yeah.
variables should be exactly equal. Only then the product of those two variables exactly becomes the maximum possible. This is what you have to know for a BPC student. This is very important. You need not do all that which I told you that day, calculus method and all that. Forget about it. This is the simple thing
Okay.
which you have to remember. Okay? Is it
Yes,
understood?
sir.
Having known
Yes.
this, we apply this to the given problem. Okay, we will apply this to the given problem. Can I rub this off? You want, you can write it.
Yes, sir.
You can write it.
Yeah, I'm writing it down.
If you can't write also, no problem. I'm taking photos and I'm recording. I'll send you all those.
No, sir, I'm writing it. I'm writing it.
Yes, you're right. This is the product maximizing formula. Okay. This is what is very, very important. You know why? This is used in all day-to-day life. Day-to-day life, where day-to-day life, for example, there is a factory which manufactures cotton and is also manufactures wool. Cotton plus wool, the amount of manufacture of cotton plus amount of manufacture of wool is equal to some number which is fixed by the machine. Then they want to maximize the product. If they want to maximize the product, what would they do? Would they do all the differentiation and integration which I taught you in mathematics? No, they won't do that. What they're going to do is simply use the basic formula which I told you. This is the basic way of understanding that the half-half formula always maximizes the product. It maximizes the product. It never maximizes the division. Remember this thing. This is the maximum value of what? Product. For product only, this formula is well and good happening. Is it clear? Okay. Only
Yes,
for
sir.
product, the half-half formula works very well. Okay. So then applying this to our given formula, what would be Q1? It would be half of the Q. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Because just now, apply this. How we got this 50? Because x plus y is equal to 100. Means this is your Q. Is it or not? And this is
Yes, sir. It
Q1
is.
and Q2. Is it or not?
Yeah.
Similarly, Q1 became 50, Q2 became 50. That means half half. So similarly here also, Q2 will become Q by 2. Understood? Hmm? Now
Yes, sir.
use this in the formula, you will get the answer. Shall I rub this off?
Just a second, sir.
Yes. Every day you have to do the numericals and ask me doubts. We have to do lot more classes. Neat is not
I
easy.
already finished biology, so we can have more classes now.
Yeah, we should have because physics, lots of syllabus is there. Lots of syllabus. And by PC, as I already said, but I'm again repeating, by PC means physics. Physics is the rank decider and destroyer. Biology, botany, zoology, chemistry, even government college students are doing excellent with 95%, they will get. Pakka, I'm telling you. But physics, they will also leave. Chaitanya Narayana colleges, all corporate college students of BPC also leave physics because they don't know physics. But rank deciding is physics only. The algorithm is decided, rank decides by physics. I told you one example also. If you and somebody else got same 320 marks out of 360, you both got 320. Who will get first rank? Physics. The computer will decide first rank for the one who got more marks in physics and less marks in other subjects. And the computer will give second rank to the person who got less marks in physics. The computer algorithm is decided like that. Do you know that? I think you don't know, but
Yes.
this is the truth. This is the computer algorithm. That people don't decide the rank. Who decides? Computer will decide. Understand? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is why I'm stressing on solving more physics problems. So let's go further thing. I'm rubbing this. So as we have left with, we have got Q1 and Q2. Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal
YouTube.
to Q by 2. Now we can maximize the force equation. Force has to be a force equation must
Sir, how do you
maximize.
get Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q by 2?
Just now I wrote no Q1 is equal to Q by 2, Q by Q2 is equal to Q by 2. Both will be equal to Q by 2, right? 50-50. Both are
Okay,
50-50,
okay,
no? Half half,
okay.
right? Half half. Is it
Yeah,
clear? Okay.
yeah.
Hmm? So then what is the force equation? Instead of Q1, Q2, you can simply write Q by
S
2.
by 2.
Yeah, it's Q by 2 into Q by 2. Is it or not?
Yeah, Q by 2 into Q by 2.
1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q by 2 into
No,
Q by 2 by the denominator doesn't
R
change.
square. Yeah, denominator doesn't change.
Now, only other extra terms are this 1 by 2, 1 by 2 product. If you take that outside, you're left with 1 by 4 times 1 by 4 pi. Don't multiply this. Okay, don't multiply these 4 and this 4. What are you left with? q square by r square. This is what you will get. Is it or not? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So the maximum is they are asking. Acha, they have not asked the maximum is the force. See what they are asking. What is the maximum ratio of q by q by 2? This is what actually this is little advanced problem. What they are asking in the problem is simple, very simple. They are simply asking the ratio of q1 by q. That is too simple, man. What is q1? Q by 2.
Q2. Yeah, Q
Q
by
by
2.
2. What is q? Q. So you cancel this 2.
Q.
What will you get? 1 by 2.
2
1
by
by
2.
2, not 2. 1 by 2, no.
Yeah, 1 by 2.
What is 1 by
Wait, so
2?
the answer is 0.5.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh my God, that's easy. Okay.
So simple. Understood?
Okay, let me write it.
Yeah, right. But of course, they will not ask this type of so easy questions in NEET also. You know what
This
they will
isn't
ask?
so hard.
This is not the question which they will ask. I am sure. What they will ask, shall I tell you?
Yes, sir.
They will ask you to find out the new maximized force. New maximized force. That would be how much they will ask you. That will be how much? 1 by 4 times this thing, right?
Yes, sir.
What is this? If you take this as 1 by 4 pi epsilon capital small q square by r square, which is nothing but some original force or F old, we can say, is it or not? F old. Understood? So
Yeah.
F new is equal to what? 1 by 4 times F old. Is it understood? F
No.
new is equal to 1 by 4 times F old means old force 1 by 4 times.
Why do you have to multiply it by 1 by 4 times?
This is 1 by 4. See here. See this 1 by 4.
Oh, that's right. That thing. Yeah.
And what is this thing? See this thing 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. Is it or not?
Yeah. They're just asking for Q by Q1 by Q. So you don't have to do the 1 by 4 into thingy. So you're just getting 1 by
Yeah.
2 over here. But if you want the new one, you have to multiply it with the 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 by
We are not
epsilon naught.
multiplying, Vishal. This is already there here. We
Yeah,
are not
that's what I'm
multiplying.
saying.
Yeah.
It's already
Already.
there. So you have to multiply the already
Uh,
pre-present value with the new value. I mean, with the value you just got.
yeah. This is the old force. This is the 1 by 4 of the old force we are getting there. Understood that?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
So
This
1 by 4 into
old force.
0.5.
So the
Got it.
new force between them would reduce by 1 by 4 times. We can say like that. Is it clear?
Okay.
Shall I rub it off?
Yes, sir.
Copied? Finished? What is the next
Yes, sir.
question?
Wait. Let me write this. Let me write this.
Okay. Write it again.
No, it's fine. I got it.
Hmm?
So Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q by 2